don't know if you can see them. They're jet skis up there playing by that bridge. We're at high tide, so you get to see the interstate bridge. They come flying past here right before I turn the camera on. Maybe we'll catch them on the way back down. That's just a bird waiting for a fish to swim by so he can grab it and fly away. That's a different one. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's gonna be something going on there tonight. They were out taking little kids fishing this morning. Like, I don't know. Without exaggerating, I'd say there was 30 boats. At least 30. Could have been as many as 50. I had to paddle between them when I went into shore to get breakfast this morning. And that and go to work, but yeah, I had to paddle through them. They were all parked waiting to load up kids to take out fishing for the day. It was pretty cool. Very rarely do you ever see a boat go up that side. They're on the other side of the mooring field. There's no danger to me, which is fine, but it's real shallow over there. I don't see that bird at all. Let's see if we can follow that one. It's the original boat. There we go, we get to watch a couple boats take off. Guess I need to plug it in. Oh well, if I see anything, I'll turn the camera back on. So now here relaxing.